any presents this Christmas. No goodies in your stocking. The milk and cookies that the children left out will be left untouched beside the sink. The reindeer will be staying in their pens this year. The elves haven't built anything, 'cause Santa got arrested last Christmas Day. Police got calls on 911 about a red-suited man who weighed a ton. There was a clear trail of evidence pointing north. It was the 7th time this happened on December 24th. The Mounties reached the North Pole. They found it was outside the jurisdiction. They called up Interpol, the Finnish police, to facilitate the suspect's extradition. They knocked on the door of a well-marked shop with the warrant for the owner's apprehension. Then Santa got arrested Christmas Day. Santa was charged with B&D. His counsel advised he plead guilty. There was footage of the crime running on TV and photographs of little children sitting on his knee. The judge expressed concern about the risk of recidivism. His sentence was commuted. He got a bond and non-association with the elves, and his reindeer license was suspended. He says he's giving up all of his former life, and now he wants to be a dental assistant. 'Cause Santa got arrested. Santa got arrested. Santa got arrested last Christmas Day.